Hi everybody, this is day 4 of your Fall Fit Frenzy AMRAP workouts. For day 4, for our last day, you get to choose your favorite one. So you can choose between pumpkin, squash, or apple. You're gonna try and beat your highest level that you got on either one of those. So if you choose pumpkin, and the last time you got level 2, then this time I would like for you to try and get to level 3 in 2 minutes. Like I said, you're gonna have 2 minutes to start, or 2 minutes to try this, and then you will be done. So here we go. Ready, set, go. Okay, you are done. Way to go with this. Nice job. Now remember, AMRAP stands for as many reps as possible. Have fun. You can do this over with the other 2 if you would like. And thank you.